Doesn't look all that bad for sitting for possibly 50 years.
And while some have an ultrasonic, I've got a Carb-a-Tronic.
Carb-a-Tronic, clean and supersonic. Jet so clear, it's feeling kinda bionic. Dirt and grime, yeah, it's gone in a flash. Now my bike runs sweet, pure throttle, no trash. Stuck float? Nah, not with this beast. Gunked up jets? Man, that's a feast. Pop it in, flip the switch, watch it glow. Vaporized varnish, it's a clean carb show. Carb-a-Tronic, clean and supersonic. Jet so clear, it's feeling kinda bionic. Idles crisp, throttles mean, thanks to the magic of the Carb-a-Tronic machine. No soak, no scrub, no chemical bath, just science and magic on a whole new path. Shake the rust off, clear that goo. Your carb's coming back like it's brand new. So toss that ultrasonic, let it collect dust. Carb-a-Tronic's here, in tech we trust. From barn finds to race lines, it's clean and mean. Yeah, Carb-a-Tronic, the king of the scene.
Carb-a-Tronic went through and cleaned everything except for pilot jet. This is how I will clean a pilot jet.